Sir, you are audible. Please come on the screen. Who's
Yeah,
speaking?
yeah, this is Pajani sir from Pondicherry.
Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir.
So, sir, actually, sir, I was working in automobile industry from 2006 to 2014 in Sumi Motherson Group as a procurement head. Handled Whirlpool coffee maker project and Hindustan Liver water purifier project. So in those days, so almost I have come out from the industrial field. Now I am a certified IMS auditor and GAG consultant for the export companies who are doing especially on the carbon emission reduction and net zero pathways. So actually, sir, almost 10 years gone. So I heard these corrective action, preventive action, CAPA, FMEA, POCAOK, Kaizens, all those VAVE, all those things and all we are discussed in the meeting. So day-to-day meeting, shop floor meeting, and meeting with the unit heads and monthly MRM meetings. All those things and all we have discussed and focus on the cost reduction plan as per the customer need. So now, as this class is for almost for 5 days, is a really interesting and recollect all those data. So which is very happy for me actually. First of all, I thank you very much, GSK sir, for this wonderful session. Because luckily I got this information through Facebook ad. So subsequently, I talked to one person also, and immediately I paid the money and joined this course. So really is wonderful, excellent, and I hope all the people will get benefit on these things. Even ordinary people who are not in the non-technical field. So identify the problem. So root cause of these things. Mostly, I am very much happy in the FMEA approach and PFMEA also process mode approach also. So it's very nice, and thank you very much for you and your team members also.
Thank you.
Really,
Thank
this
you.
program will
Thank
be helpful for them, sir. Thank you very much.
Excellent. Excellent. Thanks a lot, sir. Wonderful
Thank
feedback.
you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. Any other participant would like to speak?
Okay. So,
Sandeep.
first of all, thank you, sir. Again, because I'll start with the thank you. Let me tell you, sir, in industry, a challenge is actually happen that everyone is having a knowledge in their own. But the way you explain your concept and even the concept of like DMAC or PFME or corrective action, trust me, sir, I have a total 15 of experience. But with like you explain the concept, it is actually a very unique way because your examples is actually touch because you have a instant examples like whatever the topics I have number of doubts, but your examples in instant way, like I just talk your like art smiley book, and you explain me in this manner that you even didn't know that what is an art smiley, but again, so I just thank you, and I'm very much happy that I joined this course. And definitely, maybe after passing the exam, I will be the root cause analyst. So I would say thank you so much. Thank you so much.
100%. Yeah. All of you will pass the exam, with the excellent scores, no doubt. Yeah. Thank you, Sandeep. All the best. Anyone else would like to speak? Particularly those who ask me a lot of questions, you should speak now. Yeah.
Yes, Bhuvaneshwaran here.
Yes. Then you should
I'm
speak.
much happy to be part of this course all these 5 days. As rightly mentioned by Sandeep, I enjoyed a lot. Enjoying the sense, this particular program is having, people from different sectors. Some of them are from pharma, and some of them are from oil and gas, and some of them are from different sectors like power, automotive, all this medical, all these things. Even some of them are from IT also. One peculiar thing what I observed is that immediately you are able to pick up the example from that particular industry. So that whomever is raising that question or a kind of doubt to you, immediately you are able to connect that particular kind of person from that particular industry with the answer connecting to the particular industry. I mean, if if I say mention that, sir, could you please give some examples related to IT? Immediately you are able to, give that example, briefing that particular problem, connecting to the IT sector. That one thing, in fact, actually, even I am in this consulting field for last 20 years. I would say, you might be on the top actually, while
Thanks, sir.
considering this particular point. I
Thank
enjoyed a
you.
lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for being with us for these 5 days and giving us this wonderful system. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Bhunesh. Yeah, fantastic. One more person, then I would like to take you through the next part of our program, and then we'll wind up. One more person who would like to speak.
Maybe I'll go, sir.
Yeah, most
Sorry,
welcome.
someone started.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Maybe I'll wait.
No, please go
Okay.
ahead, Shankar.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, first of all, I feel 3 days are quite less because looking at the number of content and the flow of the discussion actually feels maybe we can have a few more days of the session also. And 5 days flew by just like that. Gave some, what you say, see, because I've been attending this AI training sessions 3 hours per day and 2 days a week or only one day like that. So, I'm just curious as to what is happening in AI. I joined that, and I'm back to one original training course where I knew that there is going to be a different approach altogether in this session because I don't know what is happening in the manufacturing side. I really miss that because I'm a BPO kid typically and 24 years into experience and almost 16, 17 years into the service, financial services only. So I happen to see a different vertical altogether, but unfortunately, I'm not able to still simulate and I try to understand more like. And I was speaking to Mr. Prabhakar this afternoon with respect to PMP, but unfortunately, it looks like we are not taking up PMP. He said so. It's like we have master black belt, but not a PMP. So that's something I really like the examples, sir. One, and as Bhuneshwaran was just mentioning, example I could pick up is about ESA. So you asked me, okay, what is AESSA, and you were able to pick up that immediately, and it is easily from shifting to from a manual car to an automatic car within a fraction of seconds in a dual clutch. So yeah, that's very seamless actually. But what I feel is like we'll have to probably, thanks to the person who is sending, what at the moment that the day is completed, someone is sending all the what you say, whatever we covered for the day. That's really interesting. So probably if we have to put even more efforts to so that we can bring things into life. Like so, I really like the session, sir, because I can proudly say this because I traveled all the way to Netherlands to for doing this black belt training. Okay, and I did several conferences in UK and places where I did the idea generation session and all. And someone is here just like that sitting somewhere in Chennai. We are in video call, and there are some 32 people. All are professionals, like very what you say, very disciplined people. Okay, and adjusting with each other and so many things. And it's a proof that we have gone next level, sir. So thanks to everyone, and thanks to you, sir. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. So all of you can also explore our other programs. In fact, we do run black belt programs in our platform, and definitely you will have a superior level of experience. Yeah.
Sir,
Would you-
sir, actually, good evening, sir. As I told you, sir, I have attended a black belt program and I got certification that time itself. So what is the main thing here, sir? In black belt we have got some exposure, but not totally how you explain here. And this 5 day, I think, is not sufficient. We should get some more days because we want to practice us. We learn, but practice is important for us. Simply like learning or remember, we can't remember all the things. So it will be better if we can include in next session. You can include some kind of practice session where everyone can get their inputs and you can solve some of the issues. Sir. That is my
Good,
suggestion.
good, nice suggestion. Yes. But any number of days, yes, in all our program, no, any number of days is going to be insufficient because the subject remains vast only.
Yes,
So at the same time, holding all of you for a longer period of time is also very challenging, right? So luckily
Yes,
we
yes.
got some good people enrolling in the program, though it is scheduled, for the entire 5 weekdays. All of you have enrolled. Thank you very much for that. And
But really,
for
thank you, sir, for your
yeah,
explaining the things in correct way. And
most welcome, most
that's
welcome.
yes.
So sorry again due to the concern of time, we are not taking all your feedback, but would love to hear and would love to record. So I'll be sharing a review and rating link. I request all of you to share your, the honest feedbacks and ratings over there. Now let's spend another 2 minutes and we will take a pledge as a root cause analyst. What are our responsibilities and what we need to know follow moving forward. So we'll take a pledge. And prior to that, let me share a few information about your exam. So there is going to be an examination next Saturday, Sunday. So you got another 1 week of time, and those of you wanted to know further enrich your understanding, you can now again now is your another chance. You can revisit all the recordings and also do some self learning. And first, have the full confidence and whatever you learn. Finally, once you master all the subjects, then you realize all the different subjects you studied are same only. That's the reason, one reason I could know once you explain, even without actually going through the particular topic, I'm able to help you understand, no? So that is simply because ultimately the philosophy remains same, right? So understand the underlying principles, philosophy, and then try to relate. And only thing is the terminology differs, industry to industry, it differs, right? And the point is you will also be able to relate any topic like that I was saying. If you go to another industry and if they say they follow a different root cause analysis methodology, and definitely it's a kind of a methodology arrived using what we have discussed. They just mix
Yes.
up 2 3 methods and then come up with another thing out of experience, and things evolve. So you will be able to understand and then self learn a lot of things, and which can truly transform your career to much greater heights, no doubt on that. Wish you the best in those aspect. And the exam, coming to the exam, it's just a 45 minutes exam. There will be 25 questions and all MCQ. You have to score 60%. We will be sharing some mock exams as well. Some instructions will come in the WhatsApp group. Just spend some 20 30 minutes in attempting those exams. And after you do the mock exam, review how your exam has went, find the correct answer and wrong answer, then you will be able to better understand and prepared for the exam. So I'm sure next week by this time you will be fully ready for the exam, and you all will certainly be proud about the score you will be getting. I'm sure you all will score above 90%, right? So that's about the
So
exam. And
both the days exam slot will be there, sir, or only one day?
yeah, Saturday as well as Sunday, the exam link will be active. Whenever you are free for 45 minutes, take the exam. And though the passing score is 60%, if you score above 80%, then you will be allowed to download another certificate of appreciation from me, right? Personally, another certificate of appreciation you can download instantly. And for that, the requirement is you should score 80%, right? So put more efforts and get two certificates, one coming from Vision Excellence. But after the exam, another 2 to 3 weeks time MSME will take, and then they will send you the official root cause analyst certificate to you, and which will also come to you following the examination. All right, so I think you have understood the whole process. I have already shared one post, I mean one image in our RCA group, WhatsApp group. Can you all see that?
Yes,
It's
sir.
about a pledge. It's about a pledge. And I suggest maybe I will also post the pledge here in the, what do you call, the chat as well, so that you all can read it after me, and then we can close the program. Okay? Let me post it here as well. Whichever is convenient, you can look at it. Yeah, for me, the chat is convenient. So may I request all of you to come on the screen, at least for the 2 minutes pledge before we go close. Please come on the screen. I want all of you to keep your eyes like this. I'm sorry, keep your arms like this. And I will read out for you and you can simply read after me. Okay? Just a minute. Okay, so we'll go for the pledge. I proudly stand today
I proudly stand today
Proudly stand
as a
today
certified root cause analyst,
as a
as
It is
certified root
certified
cause
root cause
analyst,
analyst.
a participant from the 4th batch,
A
Participant
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 from the
from the
fourth
fourth
batch,
batch.
trained by Vision Excellence
trained by
Trained by
Vision
Vision
by Vision
Excellence,
Excellence
and certified by MSME Chennai.
and certified by MSB
MSME
Which Chennai
Chennai.
I pledge
I pledge
I
I
pledge
pledge
to rise above assumptions,
to rise
to rise above
assumptions,
assumption.
to question deeply,
to question deeply,
Question deeply,
think critically,
think critically,
critically,
and act with courage.
and act with courage.
courage.
I will not treat some symptoms.
I will not
Will
will
not
not
treat some symptoms.
I will uncover true root causes.
I will uncover
Root causes.
I will not accept temporary fixes.
I will not
Not
accept
accept
temporary fixes.
prefixes.
I will build sustainable solutions
I will
Will
build
build
sustainable solutions
solutions
with integrity as my compass
with
with integrity as my compass
as my
Compass
and
compass
data as my guide.
and
and
data
data
as
as
my
my
data as
guide.
my guide.
I commit to eliminate recurrence,
I commit to
Commit to
eliminate
eliminate
recurrence,
recurrence,
strengthening systems,
Strengthening
strengthening
systems,
systems,
and driving operational excellence
and driving
Driving
operational
operational
excellence
excellence,
wherever I serve.
wherever
I
I
serve.
serve.
I choose to be a catalyst
I choose
I choose to be a catalyst
for meaningful change,
for
meaningful change.
a professional of discipline and accountability,
a
a
professional
professional
of
of
discipline and
discipline and
accountability,
accountability,
and a leader
and a leader
the leader
leader
who solves problems at their root.
who
Who
solves
solve the
problems.
problem at their root.
This is my commitment.
This is my
my
commitment.
commitment.
This is my responsibility.
This is
This
my
is my
responsibility.
And this is my standard.
And this is my
This is
standard.
my standard.
Thank you very much. Congratulations. All the
Thank
root
you,
cause
sir.
analysts.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, everyone.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
See you soon in the next batches. All the very best to all of you.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Have
sir.
a great day, sir. Have a great life.
Thank you. Same to you.
Thank you.